is Lily going? Come here, look at here. Where are you going?
School.
School. It's Friday. It's a school day for Lily. And what's exciting is kindi na ang ating baby Celine. Hindi na pre-kindi. Big girl. Celine, bigger classroom. Oh, wondering where's Lene's locker.
I'm wondering where Lene's locker
We're gonna find it. We're going to find it. So ito na yung bagong room ni baby Celine. Kaya kindi na ang ating baby girl. Look at that! Who's that? Oh, this is Lene's new locker. Look at that! Oh my God! Have a look at you, Bling Ling. He's so cute. Look at that! Hala, Bob. They only put Philippines, Bob.
That's my Australia.
Oh, they probably didn't know. See that one? They put Korean and they. Hala, Bob. They didn't. Look, Seth has got like the thing, the Australian Filipino. Oh, you gotta talk to them, Bob.
Listen,
Huh?
come.
Look, it's only Filipino, Celine. Hi!
You tell me stand.
Drop na natin ang ating baby Celine. Actually, Daddy Mike dropped at Paris earlier, guys. So, kami na lang dalawa ngayon. And we're having something to drink and to eat. It's currently 10:16 in the morning.
They gave me free, but I said I'm number one.
What's the use of bringing this camera and the battery died? Number one.
Number one.
Hot chocolate. And what are you having, Daddy?
Alright, mommy, sexy face.
Oh, it's not time.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Gotta make a sexy face, man.
Toasted almond croissant. Bon appetito. That looks good. What's that? Egg and bacon toasty? Okay kami ni Daddy Mike, guys. Waiting. I'm trying on this skirt and I think I'm taking it. Very nice. Ganda pa ng brand nito. It's tweed.
Mommy.
A few moments later.
I see that?
Yeah. Louie boy! What's the time now? Oh, where's my phone? Daddy, you didn't put the charger back, Bob.
A charger.
What charger? Time check tayo. It's 12:38 ng tanghali. So, I'm going to show you kung ano yung napamili namin ni Daddy Mike kanina. Punta kami doon sa, yung pre-love clothing. At, dalawa yung nabili ko, guys. Naipakita ko sa inyo yung isa, yung skirt. And, I love, it's the tweed skirt, yellow, na, ito yung nagandahan ko sa kanya. Kasi may accent siya dito na denim. Tingin ko parang ano siya, kakaiba ba. And this brand is Sandro. Yan. Very good price. And then the second one, itong ating black pants, guys, na at first, sabi ko, I don't know if I'm going to like it. But sabi ko, it's worth a try. Kasi, very cheap lang ba. So, tinry ko siya. And you know what? Even Daddy Mike, sabi ni Daddy Mike, that looks really good on you. Sabi niya, our next date daw, ito na yung suotin ko, sabi niya. So, it's worth it talaga, guys, na kapag pumupunta ka sa mga lugar na mga pre-love, clothing na mga shops, or mga okay, mga ganyan, itry nyo talaga kasi, iba kasi siya tingnan kapag nakasabit lang ganyan. Compared sa sinuot mo, and nakahag sa katawan mo, niya. Very flattering. May mga ganun talaga na mga damit na flattering sa body shape. So, this one is that one. Oh, size 6 pala ito eh. Sana Kasya pala ako sa size 6. That's Veronica. Veronica Main. Ayan. At alam nyo ba, I'm very excited because tomorrow, Saturday, we are going to sell at that shop kung saan ko to nabili. So, they're actually called Rent a Rack. So, pre-love clothing, fashion related. Very similar doon sa pinupuntahan ko every Sunday. The thing is, sa pinupuntahan ko every Sunday, nandun talaga ako. Like, from 8, mag-open yung door from 8 till 12. Nandun ako nakatayo. You know, like looking after my stall. Pero ito siya, yung Rent a Rack. They're open from Wednesday till Sunday. So, close sila Monday, Tuesday. So, it means like for 5 days a week, you'll rent a rack from the shop. So, it means kung papasok ka doon, yung mga damit na nakahang doon, it's not theirs. It's from the people who rented a rack from the shop. So, at the moment, I think like, mahigit kumulang 35 racks doon at different sizes. So, my small, medium, and large. Yung small nila parang ganyan lang. Kung kunti lang yung damit na ibibenta mo. And then medium, obviously, it's bigger. And then kapag large, meron siyang kung saan ka maghahang ng mga dresses. Meron din siyang pang shorter na pang top and then bottom. Ganun. And then you can put like a couple of pairs of shoes. Yung ganun. Yun yung nirentahan ko, guys. Yung large. And I'm super excited kasi alam niyo yun, like it's something that I really wanted to do. Like that still my goal. Gusto kong magkaroon ng sarili kong shop. Like pre-owned like clothing and that. But then at the moment it's impossible kasi napakamahal ng renta dito sa Australia, guys. If you're going to rent the whole shop, it's unless sobrang dami mong ang tawag nito, like dami mong benta or marami ka na talagang suki or like you're big, you know, like business, then yes. But for me na just started and alam mo yun, like slowly lang, I think this is the best option for me kasi I'll rent that space, like the racks, I can put my stuff and I know that people will go there kasi marami, sobrang daming damit, grabe. Ito yung napili sa nandoon, ito rin yung napili ko kasi very meticulous ako pagdating sa mga ganito pag bumibili ako ng mga damit ko kasi ayan, into alam niyo yun, gusto ko pag bumili ako ng damit, it's something na gustong-gusto ko talaga kasi I don't want to just leave it in the closet and not wear it kasi sayang ba. So, sobrang saya ko, guys. Ngayon, yung gagawin ko is mag-system ako ng mga damit na ibibenta natin bukas. So, I booked for 2 weeks in a row. So, for 2 weeks kasi at first 1 week lang tapos sabi ni Daddy Mike, I think it's worth it. Parang makita mo talaga yung if it's worth it para sa'yo kung 2 weeks kang mag-book. So, 2 weeks. And, you know what's best about it? Is that, kung makabenta ka, especially because it's very close to my place, you can replenish it anytime. Kung nakabenta ka they will tell you I think like every end of the day, they will tell you kung may benta o wala. And then like, if you sold something, they will tell you how many. And then you can just bring, for example, nakabenta ka ng 3, you'll bring another 3 clothing para ma-top up ba. So, di ba? Like, it's fun. Like, for me, it's fun because I'm really passionate about it. Like, pre-owned, practical shopping. Alam niyo yun? So, ito, naano ko na to sila na, tawag dito, napresyohan ko na to sila. Kasi kailangan mo talagang lagyan ng mga, guys, lagyan mo ng, tawag dito, tag. Ayan, o diba si mami nyo may paganyan na, o diba? Tinderang-tindera na si mami nyo. So, ito, one of the things na abangan sa shop. So, ito siya is Lacoste na denim dress. Tapos, anong size to? Maliit lang to, guys. Size 6 lang ata ito. Ayan siya. So, ito yung i-steam ko sa baba. And then, I've got my ito yung tweed Saan may mga tags? White na tweed mini dress. O, diba? Okay. Ito, may denim ulit tayo. Ayan. So, sa shop na to, guys, hindi ko talaga dadalhin yung maraming, alam niyo yung mga branded. Kapag ako magtitinda, pupunta ako sa yung mga Sunday market na pinupuntahan ko, yes, I'll bring like alam niyo yun, yung mga matataas yung presyo. Let's just say it that way. Kasi, itong shop na to, like, it's known for, alam niyo yun, like, bargain. Like, people go there to find, like, good deals. Like, yung mga presyohan na hindi, alam niyo yung mga branded talaga. So, iba yun siya. Sa Sunday, pupunta ako doon sa market kung saan mga designers yung binibenta. Itong bagong shop na pupuntahan natin na ilalagay lang natin yung mga damit doon. They're like tawag dito, yung mga anong tawag dito, hindi makakamahalan na mga damit. This dress, the red dress, ito may tag pa to yan siya, guys. Oh, yan, hindi pa yan siya gamit. Original price is $139. Oh, presyo, benta ni Mami, 30. Diba? Yung mga ganyan lang ng mga presyo. But, still, sa mga top, I think, meron akong medyo mapresyo-presyo din. Kasi, mahirap din namang i-let go na parang alam niyo yun, like, you should know the worth ng mga items niyo, guys. Like, para sa akin talaga, hindi ko i-let go ng basta lang. Kasi alam kong, worth it ba? Alam ko yung worth ng damit. Kasi katulad nito, ito mga Burberry long sleeve, ganyan. Oh, mga Burberry na button-up shirt. Ganyan siya. May plain lang. And what else we got here? Napaka-excite lang, guys. Skirt. So yeah, busy si mami nyo kasi that's tomorrow. And then, kailangan kong i-ready yung mga stuff for my Sunday as well. Alam niyo yun? But, laban lang tayo, guys, sa buhay. Baka yaman na tayo nito. Dapat talaga maksipag. Hi, Ate! Hello, my grade 2 Ate. Alam nyo, guys, hindi po namin na-share sa inyo. So, it's first week back school na Ate Paris, and she's now grade 2.
See, hi.
Broken
Hello.
mirror. What's that in your hand, Lang?
My squishy.
Where'd you get from?
I made it.
Oh, come on. How's your day, Baba?
Good.
What's up?
Huh? Okay. Fill it. Fill it.
Where is your bag? Hey, have you got homework?
You got things in it.
Like what?
Papers. In school.
Just leave it on Lena's chair.
Do you know Celine's? Did you get any photos from Celine's teacher?
No, not today. I was looking for it before.
Unless you.
It's so hot outside. It's 36 degrees. Mommy,
Pungag.
36 degrees?
Yeah, I know. It's very hot. Come on, Ate. We're not going straight there.
It's up to you.
What did you do today, Ate?
I did math. The first assignment.
Yeah.
Why no, English was the first one.
Yeah.
That we did yesterday and the day before.
Mm-hmm.
Today we did math, free time.
Mm-hmm.
We had a story. We played this game. and we play thumbs down, thumbs up on one of the winners.
Yes.
So like, wait, no, it's that thing.
Mm.
So like, thumbs down, thumbs
Gusto mo
up. Do you know
tumingin?
that?
No.
You do that, and then if someone touches you, and then you stand up, and you have to guess which one. You played it before.
So, it's 3:48 ng hapon, guys. And, drop ko na si Ate Parsha kasi daddy sa jiu-jitsu niya. I had to leave straight away kasi kailangan kong pumunta ng post office. So, may nabenta tayo online. Actually, we have 3 items. Remember the other day, pinakita ko sa inyo na naswertean tayo sa op shop na pinuntahan natin, di ba? Nakakabili tayo ng Louis Vuitton na bag. I sold it online because I know myself na hindi ko talaga gagamitin yun kasi hindi yun yung taste ko. Hindi yun yung style ko. So, I tried to sell it online and I sold it. So, ayan yung kanyang dust bag na Louis Vuitton. And ting ting, it's going to its new owner, guys. Ayan. And then, ito, it's another Louis Vuitton. Ayan. This is from my personal collection, guys. It's the Keyclay monogram print. And it's still like new. Hindi ko to siya nagamit. Hindi ko nagamit. That's the one. Actually, lagay natin siya sa kanyang dust bag. And then the last one, hindi ko talaga inisip na may benta ko kasi I've had it for a long time. Nakapost siya sa aking eBay store for I don't even know anymore kung gaano katagal. But, merong nag-offer kagabi. I accepted the offer. And it's this. Nilagay ko yung main na part. It's a Dior necklace. And this one is the vintage one. Nagamit ko to siya. Binili ko to from Japan. So, nagamit ko to siya maybe twice. Let's just say twice. And then, hindi na siya bumagay sa aking lifestyle. So, yun yung ginagawa ni mami niyo, guys. Yes, I buy stuff for myself. But then, if I think that I don't use it enough, binibenta ko siya. Para, I'll get my money back. Kahit pa paano. At least, na-enjoy ko yung shopping, di ba? So, yan siya. So, 3. So, maglalakad pa ako papunta doon, guys. Sa post office. Kasi walang maparkingan doon na malapit. Andito ako sa likuran ng Filipino restaurant. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, since andito na naman ako, I'll just get, I don't know, shall I get it now? Or when I come back? Bibili ako ng halo-halo mamaya. Post ko muna to. Kakatapos ko lang mag-post. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Pia Cafe and Restaurant. Halo-halo time.
Oh no, first there it's wet.
Ayo! Ow. Hi! Say hi to my vlog. Hello! Hi! Yan ang darling girl ni, Madam Suzette. Halo-halo ng langga. Please, yeah. I'll take away. Thank you.
He doesn't have his eyes sling.
Yeah.
No, it's there. He's
His side of his arm's green.
hanging out.
I've never had a body. I do have copped some good kicks with like that. Yeah.
But we
The reason why I buy it, she got up really quickly. But then when she got up, first thing she did, big eyes looking at me
Yeah,
to see if I seen it.
of course.
So that's not aggressive.
They put Australia now, guys. Oh, diba kanina pagdating namin dito, Filipino lang. Oh, ito.
You keep it.
Ito kanina. Pinagyan nila nito. Kasi, they wanted to double check with Daddy Mike kung ano si Daddy Mike kasi.
What ethnicity is. In case I'm Aboriginal or something.
In case Greek si Daddy Mike or Italian kasi hindi nila alam na ano, Australia. Daddy Mike is like 110% Australian. Doesn't look like one. He look like negro.
Super madam.